Automatic C. U making machine being debugged. Automatic change with C. U channel making machine independently developed by Zhongtuo factory, specially customized for Spanish customers, and is used for the production of building partition wall keels. After the equipment arrived at the factory, the Zhongtuo engineering team promptly headed to Spain, but the commissioning process was not smooth sailing. Language barriers, cultural differences, and the particularity of the local production environment have all become challenges that the team needs to overcome. Automatic C. U making machine being debugged. This time is an automatic change with C. U channel making machine independently developed by Zhongtuo factory, specially customized for Spanish customers, and is used for the production of building partition wall keels. After the equipment arrived at the factory, the Zhongtuo engineering team promptly headed to Spain. But the commissioning process was not smooth sailing. Language barriers, cultural differences, and the particularity of the local production environment have all become challenges that the team needs to overcome.